Legendary is a much overused word, but in the case of the Land Cruiser 70 series, it is completely justified. 39 years on from its debut, the Land Cruiser 70 series can still claim to be the vehicle of choice for handling the toughest conditions and the most extreme driving environments on the planet. Our model lineup features the 76 5-door, 78 3-door, 79 single cabin, and 79 double cabin models. Each variant is available with either Toyota's 2.8-litre 1GD engine and 6-speed automatic transmission, or the original long-standing 4.2-litre 1HZ engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. I'm Patrick Murphy, and today on TGS Vehicle Spotlight, we'll be looking at how the latest 70 series really sets itself apart from those which have come in the past. Let's begin with the engine, or shall I say, engines. The 1GD engine is a 2.8-litre 4-cylinder common rail fuel injection turbo diesel engine with a variable nozzle turbocharger and an intercooler. It delivers a max power of 201 brake horsepower at 3,400 RPM and a maximum torque of 500 Nm at 2,800 RPM. It was launched in 2015, but this is the first time in its history that the now well-proven 1GD engine has featured in the 70 series lineup of vehicles. The 1GD engine is also the more environmentally friendly option, reducing CO2 emissions by around 30% when compared to the more familiar 1HZ engine. Not to mention the benefits when it comes to fuel consumption, which is also reduced by some 30% in comparison. But there's always something to be said about simplicity. Toyota's legendary 1HZ engine is as reliable and straightforward as they come. Launched in 1990, the 1HZ engine has featured in every incarnation of the Land Cruiser 70 series for the past 30 plus years. The 1HZ 4.2-litre diesel is mechanically fuel injected and delivers a maximum power of 129 brake horsepower at 3,800 RPM and a maximum torque of 285 Nm at 2,200 RPM. The 1HZ engine emphasizes simplicity with few complex components and limited electronics, resulting in easy maintenance and repair processes. So taking a look at the cars in the lineup, let's begin with Toyota's 76 5-door. This classic model is our company-wide bestseller. Known for its versatility and its semi-long wheelbase, it's the ultimate off-road vehicle for anyone in the field. Our GDJ model comes with 9 seats and a range of new standard features such as differential locks, vehicle stability control, downhill assist control, and Toyota's active off-road traction control system, along with many more exclusive features only found on our GDJ models. In comparison, the 4.2-litre HZJ variant with its manual transmission offers the user a pure old-school driving experience. This version features 10 seats instead of 9. It also comes with power windows, anti-lock brakes and remote power door locks, which are also featured on the GDJ 2.8-litre model. Our Land Cruiser 78 3-door model is Toyota's classic representation of the people carrier. It is the most versatile variation in the lineup and provides the user with the option of carrying a lot of passengers or a large payload. It's also converted into a range of ambulances such as our patient transporter, first responder, or our fully equipped variants. Our 4.2-litre HZJ version has 13 seats and remains a good choice for agencies working in deep field locations and when the end user prefers a manual transmission. The 79 series is available as a single and double cabin with either the HZJ or the GDJ engine. Our GDJ 79 single cabin 2-seater automatic model brings a new level of comfort with lower emissions and improved fuel efficiency, reducing its environmental impact compared to the HZJ engine. The HZJ variant comprises a 3-seat configuration and manual transmission, providing unprecedented durability in the harshest and most remote locations. For those who need more seating capacity, TGS offers the 79 double cabins in the GDJ 5-seater or HZJ 6-seater variations. As with all the 79 variants, these pickups have a payload capacity of 1,000 kilograms. Depending on your mission, you can choose to transport both occupants and heavy loads safely and securely. Thanks for taking a look at the new 70 series range. Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more. And if you'd like to learn more about the vehicles in the range, plus the other services we offer here at TGS, head to our website, toyota-jib.com. Until next time.